Hi, thank you for joining me today. My name is Kat. Today we're going to work on a pranayama, which is breath control. This is something you would normally do in the morning. You want to have an empty stomach, you want to have an empty bladder, a nice, quiet, calm place to start. Also, things to remember, you may want to avoid this if you have high blood pressure or pregnant or heart problems. You're going to be doing a lot of breathing and you don't want to be lightheaded. You're also going to want to have a comfortable place to sit. I've got my blocks and a towel that I'm going to sit on. If you have a bolster or a blanket, that works great. Also, I'm going to pop a link below if you're interested in having your own block engraved with your name or your studio name. Okay. Okay, let's get started. Today we're going to do the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. All right, so when you are ready, we are going to come to a comfortable seated position, and we're going to start with just a very brief warm up to get your body moving, especially if you do this first thing in the morning, and then we'll get to it. All right, we're going to come to a comfortable seated position and just do an easy warm up. So we're going to inhale and bring the arms up. And as we exhale, go to the side. Inhale up. And exhale, go to the left side. Inhale up. We're going to exhale down and just do a gentle twist. You can inhale up and exhale, twist the other side. Okay, inhale up. You can come back down. We can do a little stretch in the back. You can inhale, you can fold forward. Inhale back up and back to seating. So any little wiggles or anything you need to shake out, this is a good time. And then we'll come back to our seated position and we'll get started. We're going to take our right hand and you're going to bend these two fingers down, leaving your thumb pointed up and the other two fingers up. I have a very hard time with this. Okay. We're going to slowly exhale out all the breath. Your left hand can be on the knee. You're going to rise your hand up and you're going to block the right side of your nostril with your thumb and inhale. And as you exhale, you're going to switch and block your nostril with your finger and exhale. And then inhale. Switching over to your thumb and exhale. Okay, that's one round. We are going to do 10 of these. Are you ready? So make sure you're comfortable. Bring your thumb up to the right side and inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. When you're done, you may bring your hands to your heart center. Inhale and a deep exhale. And just take a moment. You can feel how the breath has calmed your body. Or maybe the extra oxygen has awakened you. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Just wanted to take a minute here to explain the pranayama, and that is a breath control, and it's important because breathing is something that is essential to our life. So, you might be able to go without water or without food for a few days, but you can't live without breathing. It's essential to us being alive. And there's a lot of benefits to doing some breath work. You can relax your body, you can bring a sense of calmness. You can do different types of breath if you want to invigorate your system and wake yourself up and just have a big influx of oxygen. So, depending on what it is that you would like to do, breath work can help you with that. I chose the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama for its calming benefit. I would like taking a few minutes in the morning, try to calm myself down before the rush of the day. That is why I chose this particular one. I do hope you found it beneficial. There are a lot of benefits with incorporating this into your daily practice. Like I mentioned, you're infusing your body with oxygen, which is something that it needs. You can release stress specifically with this breathing exercise. It can help clear and release toxins from your body. It can help calm your nervous system. And it can also help balance. It can also help balance your respiratory system. As I mentioned before, though, when you do these breathing exercises, you do need to be mindful and aware that it is a lot of oxygen that's coming into your system. It can make you lightheaded. So, sitting down or sitting on a chair with your feet on the ground is ideal. And if you have any sort of high blood pressure, pregnancy, heart issues, anything that being lightheaded would possibly cause you some injury or lose your balance, that you need to be very mindful and talk to your doctor before proceeding. Thank you. Thank you for joining me today. I've hoped you have enjoyed this breathing practice, and I hope you found some benefit. This is an excellent practice to do maybe 10 to 15 minutes every morning or in the evening. And if you'd like to see more videos like these, please follow along and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste.